we have a new item in our shop that you would love, that you'll possibly use every day. Open up your mornings with crypto and coffee and Black Lion Kings. We now have a new coffee mug, only $8 shipping. Go and support Black Lion Kings, your favorite Discord group, your favorite crypto Discord group. And we also have other items to show your support as well. Go and get it. The link is in the description below. We're taking a quick look at Doge. We're going to give you an idea of what's going to happen over the next several months. Hopefully, the idea is Bitcoin tops out somewhere in February, early February, mid-February, and then altcoins continue to go for another month after that, led by Ethereum, Dogecoin, and potentially Solana and the rest of the altcoin ecosystem. But what we're looking at here is a fractal. I believe we're somewhere, we can zoom in. It's not going to help much, right? I think we're somewhere in this level here. So that would take us, if we take the time, what do you call it? The measuring stick. Okay. We go from here to the last top of May 2021. We're looking at 77 days, right? That's the fractal we're running with that we copy and pasted over here. Okay. We have the blue line is representing a top of the altcoin market. Or if we take that, let's reset again, go back to a normal chart. And let's say we're in the same area. We're currently at 44 cents. We've been talking about Doge in the Black Lion Kings group since around 8 to 10 cents, preparing to buy that dip heavy, which we did. I'm up 20,000% on that position. I always start with the maximum leverage. So I only have to put in a little bit of money to make a lot, to multiply my money with leverage, right? You have two options. You can either do that or you do a 10x and you use more of your cash as collateral, right? So I tend to just go heavy in when I have a great idea of when the bottom is coming in for how I trade. So we utilize that strategy. So we continue to look at the potential of this turning into a bull flag right there off of this breakout. It would mean we'd have 77 more days, not necessarily 70 more days. We would have, if we top out here, which let's see if we take a look at Market Cipher, we had a 1 week red dot come in on this second double top looking candle. Okay, and we may have a red dot coming in. We still have a few hours left at the time of this recording. We could have a red dot come in here, which would mark the top, and then we could start this flag action. And apparently the flag action over here from that red dot lasted until we had a higher high. Yeah, it still lasted somewhere between 56 and 63 days before we resolved much higher over the course of the next few months or next month and a half or so, right? So if we take that same analysis, let's say we get a red dot here this week, which obviously we could go a little bit higher. It could take into the end of next week to happen, but let's just assume we go out 56 days, 56 to 63 days. It could take until here's January 20th again, the inauguration day. We keep seeing big giant moves up in a lot of the charts, including Bitcoin on inauguration day for Donald Trump, which would get the country and the world hyped for crypto. We could see a massive breakout that week, or we could see the breakout the next week, and then we continue up for the next few months into the top of Bitcoin, and then we run for another month for altcoins. Hopefully Dogecoin is one of those, if you are in fact holding those tokens, or this token. So, and then we're looking at 77 days from there. We're looking at early February for a potential top of this move if we're to follow this exact fractal. And the top of this move can be somewhere between, let's get rid of Market Cipher. If we're marking out an equal run up to this fractal, we're looking at somewhere around $3. If we want to take it back a few steps and add in the 1618 and the 2618, we can get a generalized idea of where typically where bots tend to take profit at for themselves. I don't know why there's not a 1618 in this. 618. This is where the bots tend to take their profit at, and that would be somewhere between 70. That doesn't make sense. Sorry. Let's bring this up to the all-time high, around 74, 75 cents. So that adjusts a few things, so I'll come back to that. That'd take us somewhere around $1.04 all the way up to $1.50. Okay, then that would adjust the new fractal all-time high all the way up to. So originally, if we were to take from the bottom here to the top there, it'd be a 930% move. That would take us to $3. But if we were to move this over, move the fractal up, right, same date, that would take us up to $4.36 from where we're at now. They'd probably take us, like, I think Doge has 100 million tokens. That would take us to probably too high. It'd take us to $4 trillion market cap for one cryptocurrency. That's not Bitcoin, and I don't think that is possible. Well, $1.50 takes us to $220 billion market cap, which is very doable, all the way up to the 2.618. But the $4.36 would take us to $640 billion. I don't think that's possible this market anyway. So $1.50 seems more reasonable. $1 to $1.50, Dogecoin to $1 is the hashtag that's going around right now. I think that's very possible. It'd be the 1618 typical area where corporate bots will take profit. But we'll see. So that's the analysis for now. We'll keep it at that. But thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments below, where do you think Dogecoin is going to go? You let me know. I got it damn near exact in my last analysis. I'll try to post the video up below. You'll see it at the top right corner. For the last time I called Dogecoin from 5 cents, I called it to somewhere between 75 to 82 cents, and we happen to hit 75 to 78 cents on most exchanges. So this is my analysis. Again, keep this in mind, keep it close, and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.